Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of assigning work to students on Google Classroom. Whether it's for a regular assignment, quiz, or any class-related task, these simple steps will help you get everything set up smoothly. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed in using your Gmail account. Open the Google Classroom. You should now see the main dashboard of your classes. Next, choose the class where you want to assign work. Click on the class, and it'll take you to the class's main page. Once you're inside your class, head to the top of the page and click on the Classwork tab. This is where all assignments, quizzes, and materials for the class are managed. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see a blue button that says Create. Click on it, and a menu will appear with different options such as assignment, quiz, question, material, and more. For a typical assignment, click on Assignment. This is the option you'll use most often when assigning tasks to students. Now, it's time to fill in the assignment details. Start by adding a title for the assignment. Make it clear and concise so that students know what the task is about. Then, in the Instructions section, provide clear and detailed instructions. You can also add resources like reading materials, guidelines, or helpful links. This is the place to explain what the students are expected to do and how they should complete the assignment. Next, you may want to attach any files, documents, or links that students will need for the assignment. Click on the Add or Create button, and you can upload files from your computer or Google Drive. If you want to create a new document, you can do so directly from this menu. For example, creating a Google Doc, Google Slides, or even a YouTube video link. You'll also see an option to set a due date and time for the assignment. This is optional but highly recommended as it helps students stay on track and gives them a clear deadline. Step 9. Choose who to assign it to. Now, you can select whether you want to assign the work to all students or only specific students in the class. If you want to assign it to everyone, simply leave the Assign To section as it is. You can also decide how many points the assignment is worth. If it's an assignment you'll grade, input the number of points it's worth. Or, if you want it to be ungraded, just leave it as ungraded. This section is totally up to you. Once you've filled in all the details and you're ready to go, click on the blue Assign Cert button at the top right of the screen. And just like that, your assignment is live. Your students will now receive a notification about the assignment in their Google Classroom feed. They'll be able to see the title, instructions, and due date right away, and they can get started on the task. And that's it. You've just assigned work to your students using Google Classroom. It's simple, fast, and effective for managing all your class assignments. Be sure to check back for more tutorials on using Google Classroom to enhance your teaching experience.